we have today in this box MHI Stage 2 Turbo. So I'm going to unbox that for you guys today. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today got another video for you guys, and what do we have today? Well, see this big box? Yup, that's full race. It's the MHI Stage 2 Turbo for my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. Before we start this video, please please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Welcome. This is quite a journey, let me tell you, and it's only getting bigger. So, a couple things, you guys, before we start. I do see that there are people subscribed, and then there's other people that are just watching the videos. So I think it was, when I looked at my analytics, it was 23% subscribed, and then the other 77% are not subscribed. So I really appreciate if you guys could please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Greatly helps out the channel. All right, back to business. So we have today in this box MHI Stage 2 Turbo. So I'm going to unbox that for you guys today. And also coming up, there are a couple more videos. I do have a new mod that I don't know if you guys can see in this video. I'm trying to stay away from it, but that will be for the next video. And on Monday, the car is going back to Ceramic Pro in North Phoenix, and it's getting another coat. Also, the wheels, you guys, are going to be fully ceramic coated and 9H, fully protected. Obviously, brake dust won't be a thing anymore. It'll just brush right off with just some water or basic cleaning wheel products. So yeah, that's going to happen on Monday. You guys will see that video, I believe, Wednesday of next week, so look out for that. But yeah, okay, obviously bulk trash still hasn't come yet, which is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what's wrong with them. They're supposed to be here. I don't know. All right, but let's open this up. I'll be right back. All right, so you guys, obviously with UPS that delivered this package, we do have to open it because yeah, you have to check it to make sure that obviously it's in good condition and everything, right? But let me show you what we got. Full race, nice little decal. Probably throw this on the back window like my others. Comes with a Honda USB flash drive. I imagine there's some kind of tune, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, on this flash drive, like a base map run for the new turbo. So there's that. This might be quite a mess. We got these things here. All right, okay, I'm gonna try to open this without making a mess. I might make a mess here. Yeah, I'll have to pick this up later. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a big boy. All right. Not too bad. Okay. All right. So right here, let me take it out of here so you guys can actually see it. This is the MHI Stage 2 Turbo, brand new, right? And there she is. big boy. You guys can see the wheel right there, the fins, turbo fins. Let me set it down here real quick. It's probably about, I think, 26 pounds. I actually weighed it, so let me throw that up right here. That's what it weighs, so around roughly 26 pounds. Let's take a look up close. Wow, that's sick. Very nice. Wastegate, okay. Let's turn it around one more time. Careful with it. There we go. Little titanium action going on there. And there we go. So as you guys can see, it is brand new. I got a very good deal on this. I know somebody, and you know, I got that discount. So definitely appreciate Full Race and appreciate the middleman, the wholesaler, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is coming up. This will be installed here soon. Still have to order the XDI fuel pump and the 1400cc fuel injectors, as well as the JSR upgraded fuel line for the high flow fuel pump. And I have to order the DW300 low pressure fuel pump to make sure everything is good. Like I said in my previous video, we're going to run a base 91 octane tune, and that's going to be with probably Peppa, you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe Derek or somebody like that. But we're going to run that. We're going to see what it looks like with the 91 octane. If I want more power, which I probably will, I'm going to add the PRL Flex Fuel Kit, the Penguin, or something around that nature. Maybe Serimoto, that would be dope, something new. Comes with the gauge too, so probably that, to be honest with you guys. But that's what's happening this year. There's a lot of content, a lot of full content. Just make sure you guys are subscribed, your post notifications are turned on, and you won't miss a video. Okay, so let me get up here from the floor. Oh, that's hard. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Check out the new Type R hoodie. Yeah, courtesy of my mother for Christmas. Haven't really showed this in a video yet, but I'm wearing it today. It's nice and cloudy out, as you guys can see. There we go. It's always cloudy here now, seems in AZ. But all right, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. And much love and blessings, guys. Never give up. Never hesitate for a damn thing. Always put your best foot forward. Never let anybody tell you how to run your life. Run your life the way you want to, man. This is Skylyfe Projects. See you guys real soon. Bye-bye.